In this video, we will show you how to turn off comments on YouTube. First, to turn off the comment on YouTube channel is easy. You can just click settings, then select the upload defaults and click advanced settings, and you can disable comments and click save. But this is only applied in the future video that you upload, and if you already have the uploaded video, you can just go to content and you can edit your video, and in here you can click show more, and you can one by one to make your video is disable comment and click save. You must do this one by one if you upload the video before you applied the disable comment setting. Hope this video helpful for you.